Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday! And today is another weekend. So samahan nyo kami the rest of our Sunday. We're going to church first and mamamasyal kami. And happy Grandparents Day ngayon po all over the world. Ayan. So, samahan nyo kami the rest of our day sa aming mga activities or errands this Sunday. Let's go, guys!
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. When I said it, lady, I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun.
Guys, welcome back to our vlog. Tapos na kaming kumain dito sa Pinoy Pinay, kung makikita ninyo. Tapos na kami kumain ni na mama. Kahit maghanap kami ng gusto namin kainan pa, I think this is our favorite talagang Pinoy food, even though nakakapagluto sa bahay. Pero yung kagaya ng mga, yung mga ginatan, yung mga ganyan. So, hindi kami masyadong nagluluto kasi pag napapasobra, sayang naman. So, hinihintay ko lang sila. Pupunta kami sa isang Pinoy grocery kasi bibili kami ng ilang rekado for the birthday of mama. Punta kami ng Ross para makapamasyal, makatingin ng mga pwedeng ipasabay or i-gift pauwi sa Pinas. So, ayun na sila mama. Wait na lang namin sila. So, medyo mainit na talaga. It's summer here na in America. Tuloy-tuloy na ito hanggang September bago magtaglamig uli ng mga November or last week of October. Si mama.
When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you.
So guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa island. Ano mahal? Island Pacific Seafoods. Ayun. It's sweetie. Si mama di na bumaba kasi mabilis lang kami. Ganda. Pati yung sasakyan gusto ko. So guys, samahan niyo muna kami. May bibilhin lang kami sa loob. And pasyal pa tayo.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now.
So, tumitingin lang kami ng mga chichirya.
But I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
So guys, tapos na kami ni Sweetie and I'm so happy nakabili ako ng kuntsinta. Kasi kanina na-failed ako nung pagbili ko ng... Ano yung binili ko matamis mahal kanina?
Ewan ko, kasama.
Kasaba cake. So, wala yung pinahanap ni Mama. So, lilipat kami ng ibang place. But we going to Rose first. Ito, Island Pacific. Yan. So, madala kayong pumunta dyan dahil medyo malayo yan sa amin. So, guys, samahan nyo pa rin kami the rest of our Sunday. Guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Rost and tumitingin din ako ng mga ilang paninda and some of decorations na pwede kong dalhin sa Pinas sa December kasi nga yun yung pinakamahabang bakasyon ko. So I decided to fix our house, lalo na inuutay-utay na namin siyang i-modern. And I'm planning na October to November is another pintura at may gagawin akong project sa aming side of our wall. Kaya naman talagang puspuran akong makahanap ng mga sale na magaganda. And some of my things sa loob ng bahay ay dadaling ko na sa Pinas. Dahil mga bago pa rin siya para lesser gastos din tayo. So ayan, ang dami-dami pa rin dito. This is another row sa ibang place. And tumitingin din ako ng iba kasi nga halos natapon na rin namin or napamigay na rin namin yung mga ibang pinggan or mga kailangan namin sa bahay. So, talagang we're just getting some of things here din talaga. So, ayan. And syempre, ibang mga paninda, pwede rin ako mag-post para tuloy-tuloy tayo sa mga kaunting paninda natin because I have 3 bags to go until last week of September. So, pwede pa silang humapon. So, yun lang naman yung mga nangyari sa amin. The rest of our Sunday, very chill lang kasi kahapong Saturday, hindi talaga ako nag-vlog kasi nagpahinga kami, naglinis kami. And yun yung ginawa naming time to relax, kumain, manood. And syempre yung telebabad sa aming anak sa Pilipinas kasi malapit na yung school na next week. So talagang binigyan namin siya ng time at yun, linis-linis lang din kami. So ayun, gana ba ito? Ayan, so ang dami. Kung gusto magpasabay po, mga kaldero, ganyan. Ayan. So, ikot-ikot muna ako guys. Then balikan ko kayo kung ano pa mga next namin gagawin before kami umuwi ng bahay.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can say